from your 6-tack. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect a Joy-Con controller on your Nintendo Switch. So if you want to go ahead and remove it, it's easy. So on the bottom right side of the screen, if you go to the home screen here, let's go to controllers. And at any point in time we can go to change grip order right here. You can see I have 2 controllers connected in the bottom left. So let's go to this. And then we can just reconnect everything. So let's just reconnect our first controller. And then we can just press these 2 buttons and it'll sync back up. So I have 1 controller connected now. So you can see it on the bottom left side of the screen. So you can change the grip order at any point in time. And that should go ahead and disconnect your controller. So then you should be able to go back into the game. So a lot of times I'm using 2 Joy-Con controllers and then I want to go ahead and use 1. So I'm going to go ahead and just reconnect these. There's 1 controller now. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on your 6-Tech.